Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Wooden lamp. It's getting increasingly popular to create unique and beautiful lamps in wood, and here at Amlight we offer several brands with a passion for lamps made of wood. There are many good reasons to use natural materials when designing lamps. Sorts of wood like birch, walnut and oak is incredibly beautiful, and using wooden materials minimizes impact on the environment. All of the brands in this article have a strong focus on sustainability and respect for materials. Wooden lamps also complement Nordic design very well, and it is a great way to bring more nature into your home. David Trubridge. Sustainability and perfect materials is important for the lighting company David Trubridge. The New Zealand-based designer makes innovative and interesting lamps from different types of wood and is extremely focused on sustainability. So is a Finnish lighting company, specializing in advanced wooden designs. All of the lamps are made from Nordic trees like birch and walnut, and all of their lamps are handmade by professional craftsmen. Sustainability plays a big part with So as well, using only local workers and local sorts of wood, keeping the production as local and in-house as possible. The So Octo pendant has grown to become a modern classic, and So has positioned itself as a respected brand in very little time. The creations of So is always simple, precise and elegant. His lamps are made from clip-on joints, which is why you have to assemble the lamp yourself. When the lamp has been put together, it has an absolutely stunning and finished look, and lamps from Trubridge always deliver impressive shadows on the walls and ceiling. Most of the lamps that we offer from David Trubridge is made from bamboo, and all of the models have different color combinations. These lamps stand for quality, sustainability and a unique shadow play. David Trubridge have won several design awards. The self-taught designer, Tom Rossau, primarily uses wood to create his designs, and when he in 2006 presented his TR7 lamp at Copenhagen Furniture Fair, it was selected as the audience choice. The TR series holds many different lamps in different materials and colors. All of the designs from this collection works great by themselves, but if you choose to combine different models and sizes, you can create a coherent and beautiful environment of wooden light sources. Tom Rossau has a strong sustainability focus as well, using, almost exclusively, Nordic birchwood. The light birchwood works as a lampshade, and when you turn on the lamp, the wood transforms into something warm and ambient. Tom Rossau lamps is a great way to bring warmth and nature into your home.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.